cheat day. Cheat in Ilonggo means daya or dinaya. So we are having a cheat day because Buya here, makeup by Buya, just arrived from Manila and they don't have seafood this fresh and cheap. So fresh in Ilonggo is fresca and cheap is barato. So fresca na, barato pa. Here at Jotay. By the way, Jotay is an Ilonggo term. It's a guy's name, but it's also an Ilonggo term that means small or Jotay. Another term for Jotay is also gamay. But Jotay is also a popular term for a child who is small. It's a nickname. So Jotay is a small child. But he's all grown up now and has this business, the seafood restaurant. Joe the Bar here. Let's eat. Kauta. Manamit.